Listen to this crazy concept. 12 brides-to-be competing for their dream wedding. But they're also battling it out for plastic surgery procedures. This is E's new reality show, Bridalplasty, and it premieres tonight. Take a look.
Something old. Something blue. Something borrowed. Something new. New. This November, 12 brides will compete in the only reality show where the winner gets cut.
Oh, brother. Joining us is celebrity plastic surgeon Dr. Tony Youn and Harvard psychologist Dr. Sharon Cherban. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
I have tried very hard to think of something more warped, really more warped than this concept. On the happiest day of their lives, or the anticipation of the happiest day of their lives, these women desperately want to change how they look. Dr. Youn, what do you make of this?
Well, the American Society of Plastic Surgeons actually prohibits its members, like myself, from giving away plastic surgery as part of a contest. And a big reason is plastic surgery is serious. I mean, people die from plastic surgery, and so to make it as part of this kind of game show, reality show concept is dangerous.
Not only that, Dr. Cherban, every week when they win one of the contests, they immediately get to go under the knife and will be revealed the next week what they look like. That sounds sudden, it sounds scary, it sounds like they're not thinking of how dangerous surgery can be.
I think they're not only not thinking about how dangerous it is, the emotional adjustment that takes place from that kind of body transformation is really concerning, and to do it in the public eye with no line of defense.
And talk about adjustment. Think of the poor guys, okay? The men who have proposed to these women, the women are then sequestered for weeks away from their wedding, and guess what? They are revealed at their wedding to look like a completely different person. Dr. Youn, you deal with this. You're a plastic surgeon. There must be an emotional metamorphosis that also happens.
And it's very common that people may have one or two things done before they get married, maybe the nose job they always wanted, but to have 8 or 12 procedures done and then to have a big reveal with your future spouse, it's crazy.
Dr. Cherban, I'm just thinking this is not going to end well. I mean, do you, from your research and patients, do you think that after sudden surgeries like this, sometimes people regret it?
I think there's a lot of sort of cosmetic work regret, and I find that it comes when it's being done for the other person. So when it's not just the nose that I couldn't live with for most of my life, and I just take one little procedure and fix it before the biggest day of my life, but there's procedure regret. And it comes up sometimes years later when there's the first rift in the relationship, like maybe year 7.
Oh, my goodness. I mean, I just think of, like, for instance, even Heidi Montag, who had all of those surgeries so famously, and now says she regrets it.
And what we're getting into is now that Heidi Montag territory. You have a 21-year-old, 12 procedures, and all these women, these 12 women are getting work done by the same surgeon. Are they going to start all looking the same at the end of this show?
It's creepy on many levels. Dr. Tony Youn, Dr. Sharon Cherban, thanks so much for coming in to discuss this.
Thank you, Allison.
Thank you.